Hello, I'm Hong Chiu, one of the instructors in the Culinary Arts program. Welcome foodies. The Culinary Arts program is ready to train you for an exciting career in food service and hospitality. Culinary Arts is a 2-year program. In year 1, you'll learn kitchen fundamentals, culinary theory, including stock making, preparing meats, poultry, seafood, cold foods, and desserts. In the 2nd year, you expand on your skills and enhance them with courses in management, purchasing, contemporary cuisine, and international cuisine and culture. The Hokanson Center for Culinary Arts is unlike any kitchen you've seen. The labs include computer programmable ovens, Baxter rotating deck ovens, induction stoves, and the very best modern cookware and utensils. After successfully completing program requirements, you'll graduate with a NAIT diploma in Culinary Arts, and you'll be ready to work in any kitchen, anywhere. NAIT's Culinary Arts program is committed to your success, and we look forward to meeting you soon.